Hi everyone. So today we will be learning how to circle crop, photos for Instagram or any social media or wherever you want. So it is fairly simple. You have to go to pixoate.com, circle images, and then you have to select the image you want to do the circle. Let's say we selected this one. Let's say we select this one for now. And you can customize like what where you want to crop. Let's say we want to crop over here. Then you can select the output, whether you want transparent. PNG will be transparent. There could be other formats are also there. You can also for large medium you can also customize the circle size from here, or you do that manually. Once you are done, like select the area, that's it. So you can see before how it was before. Now this is the results. So we hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to continue further, like you want to make edits to this, you can go over here. You can maybe if you want to add some sort of backgrounds, you can do that, maybe whatever. Like if you want to make this transparent, you can go with the let's say if I select this image, I want to remove the background for now. Because I want to do that, I will be going to AI tools and remove the background. For this, it will remove the background so that it looks way more perfect than before. So you can do this kind of customization as needed. You can see it has removed the background, and now I can select any other further enhancements you want to do. So it is totally up to you how you want to do and other stuff. It is totally up to you how you want to do make changes. So it has done circle loops. So all those changes are up to you how you want to make it, and you can do all that using pixoate.com. So all changes are over here, and if I want to show you the image which we download, which is over here. So we hope you like this tutorial. You can go to pixoate.com and make, there are I think 100 plus more 100 plus tools for PDF, photo images, photo editor is there. You can edit anything for social media. You can choose from multiple templates. So we hope you like this tutorial. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.